Hi, I'm Ken Larue from Autodesk, and this is a quick walkthrough of how to bake light maps with Arnold from physical materials to standard legacy in 3ds Max 2021. Before starting, make sure the scene renders to your liking in Arnold prior to starting the baking procedure. Something that doesn't render correctly in Arnold won't produce good maps. For light maps, it is important to create a non-overlapping UVs. This is to make sure that light information doesn't get written over as faces are overlapping in the UV space. In practice, most light maps use map channel 2. This is not mandatory, but it is common in the world of games. A physical material is used in this scene. Physical material renders well in Arnold. Select all objects to bake light maps for. In this case, it's the whole scene. Open the Bake to Textures dialog box. Add maps to the selection with the button. Choose Arnold Albedo and Light Maps, and then click Add. Albedo to get the raw colors of the materials, lighting to get the light maps. This map is separate from color and only contains light. Edit map settings all at once while selected. Use Ctrl-A to select all the maps in the list. Then select UV channel 2. The image size will be 1024 and our file type will be bitmap. Set the output to destination to create new material and assign the maps to the material input of that material. In the material browser, choose Standard Legacy. Lighting to self-illuminate. Arnold Albedo to diffuse. Set output folders to define where the maps will be saved, and click the Bake button. This could take some time, so adjust the Arnold settings to get the better performance based on your desired quality and optimization. Set the viewport to high quality to see the result of the standard materials created. By opening the material editor, you can see that a shell material has been created to keep the original physical material and create a standard legacy material to connect to the baked maps. So this has been a very quick walkthrough of how to create baked maps with Arnold from physical materials to standard legacy.